plan. Sun kiss me face, everything feel right. Steam up the chalice, heart in flight, guided by Jah through the cosmic night. Barefoot on the earth, me walk in peace, no war in me soul, just soul release. Birds them sing, and the breeze it teach. Love is the language, no need to preach. We smoke and float, inhale the sky. Zion in a vision, no need to try. Let the rhythm carry you way up high. One love eternal, we never die. We smoke and float, inhale the sky. Zion in a vision, no need to try. Let the rhythm carry you way up high. One love eternal, we never die. One love eternal, we never die. Sitting by the river, meditating still, chanting mantras, bending Babylon's will. Not with fight, but a conscious skill. Healing through harmony, that's Jah will. We not need no crown, just tree and drum. Reasoning deep till the silence come. In a every heartbeat, Rasta become more than a style, it's where you're from. Every puff a prayer, every beat a stay. We climb to light beyond despair. In this liberty, love everywhere. Me brethren plant food, me sister bread air. Children laugh loud, blessings in the air. Life no easy, but we no compare. Jah give we all, we aware. Sound system blast, roots all night. Inna the dance, darkness turn light. Ancient energy, pure insight. Rasta move wise, no fuss, no fight. We smoke and float, inhale the sky. Zion in a vision, no need to try. Let the rhythm carry you way up high. One love eternal, we never die. Lifestyle deeper than words. We speak through vibes, we sing with birds. Humble yet proud, grounded in herbs. Rasta consciousness that never curves. In a every meal, ital soul. Music and plans keep we all. We not chase gold, just play we roll. Reggae the fire and we the coal. So light it up and let it burn. Every smoke ring a Jah return. From trench town roots to highest firm. Zion echoes, we live and learn. Zion echoes, we live and
meditation, yeah, man. Boy, me hear the river call my name. Oh, me hear the river call my name. Wash me clean from guilt and shame. Jah breeze blows soft and slow. Carry me where peace do grow. Me trot through valley, trot through storm. Jah love keep me heart warm. Babylon plan can't break me will. Jah river flowing still. The water heal, the water pure. My soul find open door. Every drop a sacred tone. Me never walk alone. Me see the sunrise bless the land. Me feel Jah touch me hand. Every life a part of one. under the same bright sun. Me wash me doubt, me wash me pain. Jah Flow cleanse again. Me chant for love, the higher side. Me walk in Jah light. River of Jah Flow, take me where my spirit grow. Through the hills and valley deep, Jah promise me keep. River of Jah Flow, carry love wherever you go. Peace and truth overflow. Jah river forever glow. Me watch the children laugh and play. Me see hope light the way. The elders sit and hum the song. Say the journey long but strong. Jah wisdom like the ocean wide. Me drift inside. Me find me strength. Me find me rest. Jah river know the best. Me walk along the waterside. Me feel Jah in the tide. No fear can drown my song. My spirit firmly bound. The current guide my soul along. Me sing my river song. Flow on, Jah water clear. Wash away the fear. No end, no start. Jah river cleanse the heart. River of Jah Flow, take me where my spirit grow. Through the hills and valley deep, Jah promise me keep. River of Jah Flow, carry love wherever you go. Peace and truth overflow. Jah river forever glow. When we reach the ocean wide, me know Jah by my side. Me rest my soul and let it go. Back to Jah river flow.
Rasta man is so high. Hear the drum, hear the bass. Jah rhythm fill the place. People gather, people dance. Lift the spirit, lift the chance. Me feel the fire in my soul. Rhythm make me spirit whole. Every street, every lane, Jah love break the chain. Me chant for hope, me chant for light. Carry the message through the night. No fear, no doubt, no false pride. Only truth and love inside. The youth them rise, the elders guide. In a Jah we confide. Every beat a sacred sound. Freedom vibration all around. Me plant the seed, me water the ground. Love and unity always found. From the city to the mountain high. Jah bless the earth, Jah bless the sky. Fire in a rhythm, light the way. Burn the darkness, bring the day. One heart, one soul, one song. Jah love always strong. Spread the light, spread the cheer. Lift the people far and near. Me see the children jump and play. Sunshine guide the day. Elders chant, youth them learn. Life and love them earn. Me chant for peace, me chant for right. Carry the flame, carry the light. Every market, every street. Rhythm make the people meet. Me hear the laughter, me hear the sound. Blessings everywhere around. Together strong, together free. Jah love the eternity. Rising high, rising strong. Me chant a righteous song. No fear, no pain, no sorrow. Blessings come for tomorrow. Fire in a rhythm, light the way. Burn the darkness, bring the day. One heart, one soul, one song. Jah love always strong. Spread the light, spread the cheer. Lift the people far and near. So when the night seem long, remember Jah in the song. One love, one heart, one flame. Together we rise, never the same.
Aye, aye, aye. Ganja and Zion Ragaya man. Me wake up to the ancient beat. Drum talk under me feet. Wind whisper through the trees. Carry your message pon the breeze. From Africa to Caribbean shore. My spirit open more and more. The call of the drum never fade. It echoed through what Jah made. Me hear the elders chant them song. Say Rasta youth stand strong. Them rhythm pure, them message wise. Reach the heart, open eyes. Them teach me how to live upright, how to walk in Jah light. Every beat a prayer divine, connecting soul and time. Me see the world in confusion still. Them chase vanity, goal and thrill. But the drum remind me of me root, the melody of truth absolute. Me see the youth them lose them way. Me chant fi bring them back today. Cause music heal what pain divide, and love not hide. Call of the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call of the drum, pure vibration. Unite every nation. Sound of freedom, echo strong. Rasta keep it long. Me close me eyes and me travel far. Beyond the moon, beyond the star. Me hear the ancestors whisper clear. Keep the drum, keep Jah near. Every rhythm tell a tale. Every song set sail. Me carry the sound through the storm. Truth in perfect form. Inna the market, inna the street. Drum beat under me feet. Children dance, women sing. Hope in everything. The world may shake but sound stay pure. The drum keep we secure. Long as the heartbeat still strong. We sing Jah song. Me no fear no system chain. Music heal me pain. From Shasha Mine to Kingston town. Drum never let we down. Every strike a spark of light. Burn through the darkest night. Jah rhythm guide me home. Never alone. Call of the drum, rise and play. Guide the people night and day. Beat for justice, beat for peace. Let the wickedness cease. Call of the drum,
Jah vibration, unite every nation. Sound of freedom, echo strong. Rasta keep it long.
Aye, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Before the dawn, me hear a sound rising from the holy ground. Drum beat echo through the plain, wash away the pain. Me close me eyes, me spirit fly under Jah sky. Every thump a heartbeat true, ancient calling to. Me hear the echo of the slave, me hear the courage of the brave. Them ancestors still a talk, guiding every walk. Each rhythm carries strength and truth. Light for the youth when the drum beat call me name. Me answer flame, me see the people gather round. Feet moving on secret ground. Them clap, them sing, them pray for peace. For Babylon release every sound a healing tone. From flesh to bone, drum no lie, it tell Jah way. Night and day, voice of the drum, call we home. Beat for the last and lone, carry the word, carry the flame. All in Jah name, voice of the drum, mighty strong. Right erase the wrong, rhythm pure like morning dew. Guide with you, me feel the spirit move me soul. Drum restore control, it chant for justice, chant for right. Turn darkness to light, each echo tell me just still near. Me feel no fear, me let go pain, me let go pride. Truth inside, me know the drum come from the earth. Sound of rebirth, it speak a language words can't tell. Sacred as a bell, from the roots to the crown of men. It reveals Jah plan, every beat a living prayer. In the air, when the world grow cold and numb, listen to the drum. It teach we unity, teach we grace. One heartbeat, one race. No division, no more fight. Only light. Voice of the drum, call we home. Beat for the last and lone, carry the word, carry the flame. All in Jah name, voice of the drum, mighty strong. Right erase the wrong, rhythm pure like morning dew. Guide with truth. Eternal song, keep the people strong. Let the world remember still. Jah holy will, me rest me hand pan skin and shell. Hear the story well, voice of the drum, never done. Beat till kingdom come. Cause me the chant shaman. Flow river pure and wide, carry mercy like a tide. Wash away this stain of wrong. River sing redemption song. Every drop of healing grace, flowing from Jah holy place. Cool the weary, lift the soul. River make the broken whole. Traveler thirsty, find the stream. River answer every dream. Drink of life, no thirst remain. River cleanse the deepest pain. Babylon cannot dam the flow. River rise and overflow. Every heart it purify. River flowing never dry. Fish them swim and tree them grow. River bless the land below. Children play upon the side. River carry hope so wide. Drum beat echo across the shore. River whisper cry no more. Every current strong and true. River bring new life to you. Storm may rage and flood may rise. Still the river never dies. Path of Zion carved in deep. River promise Jah will keep. Through the valley, through the plain. River cleanse the bloody stain. From the mountain to the sea. River flow eternally. In the morning, crystal bright. River shine with holy light. At the nightfall, calm and still. River move by Jah will. Elder bow, young one sing. River honor Jah the King. Generations find a way. River guide them night and day. Flow, flow, river free. Carry love for you and me. Rise, rise, mercy strong. River sing redemption song. River of redemption, pure and true. Flowing strong for me and you. Never ending, never gone. River sing the holy song. Forever moving bold and deep. River promise Jah will keep. Oh yeah. Because meditation, yeah man. High up on the mountain peak, hear the voice of Zion speak. Echo strong, majestic sound, song of freedom all around. Every stone and every tree, sing of Jah eternity. Clouds them part, horizon clear, mountain song is what we hear. Pilgrim climb with heavy load, find the mountain, find the road. Hear the chorus pure and wide, song of Zion be the guide. Babylon nice fade away, mountain sing a brighter day. Every echo loud and long, carry forth the holy song. Eagle fly across the sky, mountain lift the spirit high. Waterfall in silver stream, mountain echo Jah dream. Children dance and elder pray, song of mountain never stray. Every beat of drum combine, mountain chant a word divine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Snow
rise, kiss the stone. Mountain never stand alone. Generations gather near. Song of mountain never clear. Faith unbroken, sound so pure. Mountain music shall endure. When the valley full of cries, mountain lift them to the skies. No corruption, no disguise. Song of truth before the eyes. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall. Mountain sing for one and all. Jah creation, strong and wide. Song of mountain still provide. Sing, sing, mountain high. Lift the chanting to the sky. Rise, rise, holy tone. Mountain song forever known. Song of mountain, bold and strong. Carry the people all along. Never ending, never cease. Song of mountain, bring the peace. Forever echo far and near. Song of Zion, we all hear. Forever echo far and near. Song of Zion, we all hear. Hey. Hey. Natural medicine, yeah, man. From the hilltop, me chant. Me no want, me no flan. Me sing for the people, oh. Let the whole world know. Freedom echo wide. Jah by my side. Me voice rise from the dust. Full of trust, me no bow to oppression and me stand. Me sing for justice true, me sing for you. Every word me chant break ignorance plant. Me feel the chain still tight, but me bring light. Me rhythm break the wall, free them all. Babylon no like me song, but me strong. Voice of freedom loud. Lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live. So me give voice of freedom strong. Sing all night long till the pain fade away. New day, me walk through field of fire. Still me higher, me sing for the lost and weak. Truth me speak. Every note me send above, filled with love. Rasta guide me way, night and day. Me no silence my sound till peace found. Me chant from street to stage, across every age. Me carry the flame so bright through the night. Voice of freedom rise again. Heal the pain. Me sing for the voiceless still. Jah will me call the youth for unite. Hold the light. Voice of freedom cry, 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 cry. Lift it to the sky. Every soul deserves to live. So me give voice of freedom strong, 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 strong. Sing all night long till the pain fade away. New day. So when me gone from earth, remember the word. Voice of freedom remain. Through joy and pain.
Bless the world, yeah man. Yeah, yeah. Me open me eye pan golden ray. Jah bless the start of every day. From the mountain come the call. Stand firm, don't fall. The morning breeze whisper soft. Lift me spirit aloft. Every dawn a brand new fight. But love bring light. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me chant through pain. Them build wall fi hold me down. But Jah give me crown. Me see the people tired and broke. Under the system choke. But the sun still rise again. Wash away this stain. Me keep me heart clean, my mind pure, faith endure. Me hear the elder voice inside. Rasta youth can't hide. The path rough but still me trod. Guided by the rod of God. Me no bow to no false king. Me let the spirit sing. Even when the world feel cold, my soul stay bold. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine upon the righteous way. Guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift my soul, me heart, me hand. Heal the land. Whoa, wow, 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 wow. Yeah, yeah. Me see the youth, them searching wide. Truth can't hide, them hungry for the higher plan. Them ready to stand. Me tell them love can't fade. Jah creation well made. Each man a temple, each soul divine. Like the sun we shine. Me chant upon the mountain high. Lift me voice to the sky. Me see the clouds start move away. Light up the day. Me feel Jah glory deep within. Burn out the sin. Me spirit dance, me eyes awake. A new dawn we make. Even when the night look long, me sing Jah song. When Babylon try mash me faith, me rise, me create. The spirit of the sun never fade. It like the path Jah made. From east to west, the flame still run. One creation, one sun. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine upon the righteous way. Guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift my soul, me heart, me hand. Heal the land. Spirit of the sun, forever rise. Truth reflecting me eyes. No shadow strong enough to stay. Light show the way. Me rest me mind when day is done. Thank Jah for the rising sun. Till my breath, my final tone. Me know me never alone. Spirit of the sun, live on. Ay, ay, ay. a spliff with bamboo paper, yeah man. Me open me window, morning glow. Jah light start to show. Every color in the sky remind me why no darkness can invade. Jah light never fade. Me see confusion every day. People lost them way, but me keep me vision clear. Jah always near. Them promise power, promise gold, but soul grow cold. Me choose the humble trade. Jah light never fade. Me walk through the market crowd, hear the cry loud, but me smile still stay. Hope find a way. No silver, no diamond ring can change the song me sing. Love and truth me blade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Shine strong, guide me right, right the wrong. From dawn till the twilight shade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Hold on, even when the night long. Every soul we pray, see brighter day. Say keep the faith true, Jah walk with you. So me move in grace and peace. Let the burden cease. The wind carry prayer high. Answer come nigh. Me no worry, me no trade. Jah light never fade. Elder sit on the stone. Say Jah rule alone. Me kneel, me reason, me understand. Life in Jah and no shadow block me way. Sunrise every day, every heart unafraid. Jah light never fade. Even when the thunder roll, Jah comfort me soul. From desert sand to ocean tide, Jah spirit inside. Hold the faith, no let it go. Light forever glow. Jah light never fade, shine strong. Guide me right, right the wrong. From dawn till the twilight shade. Jah light never fade. Jah light never fade. Hold on, even when the night long. Every soul we pray, see brighter day. Jah light blaze, truth prevail. Love set the sail through storm and shade. Jah light never fade. Close my eyes and rest. Jah bless the quest, forever unafraid. Jah light never fade. Na na na. Kaya kushi na the paper. Nightfall, we hold the fire still. Follow Jah will. In a darkness, me guard the light. Truth shine bright. Me watch the stars, me hear Jah voice. Me heart rejoice. Keeper of the flame, me be eternally free. Me see the world, forget the love, forget the gift. From above them chase power, chase goal. Them spirit cool, but me hold the torch high. Me not deny, me got the spark in a me chest. Jah manifest, me see them map the righteous way. But still me pray, me carry fire through the storm. Jah keep me warm, no shadow deep enough to hide. Truth inside, me light me chalice, chant me psalm. Heart calm, keeper of the flame burn bright. Shine through endless night, light up the heart of man. Part of Jah plan, keeper of the flame so pure. Faith endure, me carry Jah fire inside. Till the tide, me walk through the desert bare. Still Jah there, me see the moon reflect the truth. Guide the youth, them call me fool, them call me mad. But me still glad, call me know Jah never sleep. Promise keep, Me see the wicked tremble slow. Them power go. Me flame expose the wrong them do. Light shine through. Me guard the spark for every soul. Make them whole. Me live for truth, me die for same. Keeper of the flame. No wind can blow the light away. It dead to stay. Just spirit fuel the fire strong. Burn around. Me hold the lamp in every fight. Bring the light. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Shine through endless night. Keeper of the flame burn bright. Shine through endless night. Light up the heart of man. Part of Jah plan. Keeper of the flame so pure. Faith endure. Me carry Jah fire inside. Till the tide. Keeper of the flame of truth forever rise. Light up the sky. Jah fire never tame. One eternal flame. When me gone, no fire remain. True joy and pain. Keeper of the flame me be for eternity. Na 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 ganja.